All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Unreal Engine project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. We're gonna get this opened up. So as you can see, our grid does look a lot better. Let me get in and get my count going so we can make sure we have our specified number count. So I'm gonna use the grid to actually count our blocks. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have our 24 by 24 slab. And you can see here I did put my pillars at each end. Now all I have to do is build my pillars up and then we can put our cones on top. So our slab is completely done. I got up early to get it out the way. I didn't feel like putting another block down. And again, each one of these sections is one separate block that had to be laid by itself. So yeah, as you can see, the scale of it is massive. Let me get and change the view so we can have a look at it. I'm going to take a top view first, and then we're going to get in get a different perspective on it. So I'm going to get this open, show you this. Did it click? Yeah, it did. So this is going to be the top. You can see here, our slab looks like one nice uniform slab here. I did fix all of the dysmorphia and dysmorphia, all of the whatever the word is for this. The images, the shape of the image is nice and smooth. You can see here we have our pillars set. So you can see here we have our cone that's going to go on top of our pillars. Now I do have something new to show you. I can change the way that we actually look at this game field here. So let me get in change it to cinematic view, and that should change the way we see it. We can see it from the actual cinematic viewpoint of how the game would look from a cinematic point of view. Where's that? Let me change the actual back to perspective, and then we can see it in that cinematic viewport. So you can see here, this is what it looks like from a cinematic point of view. We back up a little bit so you can let me actually close this out too. So let's back up so you can see here, get an exact look at it. It is a lot bigger than it seems up close and personal. And I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with this structure. If you're not an anime fan, you probably don't know what's going on here. But if you can see here, it looks very, very telling. Now, if you haven't guessed it yet, I'll give it another day or two before I start building the pillows up. But that's a clue right there. If you're in the anime, you should know what this represents and what I'm actually going for, what kind of build I'm going for here. But again, so that's what it is right here. I got up early to fix the unevenness of the slab. We have our 24 by 24 completely done. So now all we have to do is build up each pillar. Like I said, I probably go 12 high with these, not too high. And I'm going to top them with the cones. This way we can move on to our agents and start building more around our environment. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. And for now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.